Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I'm here with the crypto kid, Efe. How you doing?
I'm doing awesome, man. How you doing?
Amazing.
Awesome.
Since we last talked, your channel has exploded. My video views are 5,000 to 10,000 views per day. How many views are you averaging right now?
On average, I think it's around 8.5. So yeah, that's what I'm getting right now.
Tell them your story.
So,
how old you are?
I'm 15, but I started crypto when I was 12. And believe it or not, James was actually one of the first people that, helped me out and give me some guidance. So I started crypto when I was 12, living in Dubai, and I was watching James's videos. I stumbled across it on YouTube and some other influencers too. And I saw that James was speaking at a conference in Dubai. So I told my parents I wanted to go to this conference. They called me crazy, what are you gonna do in a conference? But I just took the leap of faith and went to the conference. And that's where I met James. And he was super impressed by my age. He actually gave me his course and he taught me some technical analysis tips. He gave me tips on, getting into, projects earlier on. So I took like 6-7 months studying everything James gave me. I was very involved in his community, and also Tone Vase, Carl Da Vinci. And I just improved myself for the next 6-7 months. And after that, I began trading, and it just really took off from there. So I owe a lot to this man right here. He's super, super awesome. He's one of the best people I've met in my journey so far. So thank you so much, James, man.
Thank you.
No
That's
worries
amazing.
at all. No worries at all, bro.
And this was when he was 14, now you're 15, and you went from, how many views were you getting in the beginning on your channel?
Man,
and how many do you get now?
I first made my channel 2021 December, but I wasn't taking it that seriously. And then I was getting like 10 views, 10, 20 views. And I just kept going at it. Then I quit for a bit. And the last 6 months, I've been, really, really professionally, like taking it more seriously. And I went from getting like 400 to 300 views to now, like my most watched video was last week at 13,000, 14,000 views. So
makes you one of the biggest crypto influencers, actually.
Yes.
He's in the top 50 crypto influencers in the world now.
And I started in the bear market also, so I'm super, super grateful, super happy.
And what would you tell? So you were 14, you're 12 when you started, 14 when you met me.
Yeah.
15 now, and you have one of the biggest crypto channels. What would you say to people that are like in crypto, worried about bear market?
Yeah.
What would be like the main advice, or someone that's young that's maybe watching the channel, or someone that's not yet in crypto? What do you think about this whole space and everything?
So I'll start off with the bear market aspect. I've personally been through 2 bear markets now, and it's just every time there's a bear market, every time the price goes down, people expect it to go lower, including me. I've fallen into this trap, I can't lie. And it's just you expect it to go lower in that immediate time frame. But the truth is, we always see a rebound to the upside. So the biggest lessons that I've learned was always dollar cost average, with an amount that you're not afraid to lose. It's not gonna, it's not gonna really affect you if you lose that money. Just dollar cost average into the projects that you did full due diligence on, because of course success doesn't come easy. People that enter into crypto right away, they want to make money fast, and that's really their goal. However, the truth is, it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of experience, and you really have to study and put hard work. So the biggest advice that I would give is just find your lower cap gems, right? Find your good altcoins that serve a good purpose, and dollar cost average them into them during the bear market. Because if it's an actually good project, then the bull market, when more institutions and venture capital wants to invest in these projects, that's the time when they will boom. So this is what I would do right now. And of course, the bear market is the time to build and to educate yourself. So go watch multiple YouTube videos, multiple YouTubers, read technical analysis books, read books on risk management, educate yourself, and then prepare yourself for the next bull market, which is when you can make the most advantage of it. So this is what I would say.
Perfect advice. And what do you think about Bitcoin in the short term?
Short term, so very, very short term, next week is FOMC week. So we're actually, the rumor is we're going to get, there's an 84% chance it's going to be a 25 basis point increase. And of course, increasing the interest rates is not good, especially for risky assets like Bitcoin, because we still haven't reached an inflationary hedge status for Bitcoin. So in the immediate short term, we could see a pullback towards the downside. But the rumor is that this will be the final rate hike increase by the Fed in the short to mid term. So in the overall PC, the overall inflation is dropping, and the banks are going under a lot of stress because of the increasing interest rates. So I do believe that in the upcoming months, we could see the Fed beginning to pause the increase of the interest rates or even start to decrease it. And once that starts to happen, then I do believe Bitcoin can see the, a little relief rally before the Bitcoin halving next year. But this is what I'm looking at.
Nice. I think exactly the same. And usually after the halving, so in 1 year from now, it's 1 year to the day
Yes.
until the Bitcoin halving. That's when you see the start of the bull market that I think will peak on October 2025. I think will be the peak of this bull market. It's a similar pattern in 4-year cycles. Cool. Do you have anything else you'd like to say to the audience?
Just do what makes you happy. Follow your passion. I started with my love for acting. Then I found crypto because I really like finance, and I wanted to find a way to merge it together, and that way for me was YouTube. But again, James told me this earlier on today. Follow your passion, because your passion will lead to your purpose. And if you find a way to monetize this, then you'll be the happiest man alive, because you won't be working, you'll just be doing what you love. So whether that's crypto, whether that's something else, find what you do best, educate yourself. You can't achieve success without education. And that's really it. Meet people, meet a lot of people, and always focus on giving, and try to idolize the people that you want to meet, and meet them and learn what they do best, and then copy
You're
them.
amazing at. Who have you met in the crypto space now? Like special people that you.
A lot of people actually, like all of your friend group, Da Vinci, yourself, Carl, and there's been some pretty crazy people. I've met Bruce Fenton last week. He's the guy that organizes the Satoshi Roundtable, and he's a very big Bitcoin OG. Not just crypto people actually. Like through what I do, I've met some other pretty crazy people that are not even in crypto. So it's just very nice. Meet as many people as you can, because you never know. 1,000 people you meet, right? But one person is enough to just change your life upside down. So meet as many people as you can, and that's networking is a really, really important aspect to success.
Epic. And your channel now is called Crypto Kid.
Crypto Kid, yeah.
Check him out on YouTube and
James
subscribe.
will probably
I'll tag you in the link.
In the link, that would be perfect. But thank you,
Nice.
Thank you, man.
No
so
problem.
much.
You're welcome. And amazing. He's 1 year later, crazy. Your channel when I met you, it was a few hundred to now 10,000. He has more views than me, guys.
Yeah, thanks, man. No, it's honestly I've really tried to absorb a lot of knowledge from James himself and everyone else, and just make easy content for people to understand and educate my generation about financial literacy, because it's something very important.
How is how are the other 15-year-olds when it comes to cryptocurrency and stuff like this?
Honestly, I see a lot of demand. I see a lot of people want to learn, want to start doing it. I think the age where people have come to a mature mindset, it's I think it's decreased. We're seeing a lot of people that are becoming very successful at a younger age than ever before, because information is available online more so than ever. So the kids that really want to put in the work, are really passionate with what they do, they tend to do very well, and there's a lot of interest in this space within my generation. So if you're young, just go for it. Age is not a barrier to anything. It's all about the mindset. If you can bring results at 5, at 10, at 60, that's all people care about, and that's it. So you got to be strong here, knowledge wise and mindset wise.
How many people would you say in your class or in your year are into crypto?
None. But
none?
No, not at the moment. But because I started making videos, actually some of them have started to watch mine, and for the first time, they've been saying, "Man, I watch your videos. That's pretty cool, and I want to start getting into it as well." So I've been the one that's really piqued their interest actually.
Nice. You're gonna bring your whole generation in.
Yeah, it would be awesome. Yeah.
Epic.
Thanks,
and what do you like about crypto? Why do you like this technology?
Honestly, I try to spend a lot of time actually understanding the technology aspect of it, because people just come in and they want to make money fast, but understanding why it's useful is super, super important. You can use blockchain for so many things. My personal very, very bullish aspect that I'm thinking of is GameFi. I think games will be revolutionized forever, because I used to play Fortnite. I still play Call of Duty, Warzone and everything. And my friends have spent so much money, so much time invested into the game, and you get nothing back from it other than, of course, enjoyment. But if you can get the monetary value for the time that you spend inside, then that would be an absolutely crazy concept. and it will like change people's lives forever. Like, you know, imagine you're living in a low, LEDC country, a less economically developed country, and the money you're getting from a game, just playing a game, doing something that you love, pays more than the salary that you would get doing a job. It's just crazy. So GameFi, DeFi is going to change the world, and the monetary system as a whole will be changed because, of course, the dollar is on the verge of collapsing. There's a lot of things going on. I could talk about it for hours, but in short, this is what I feel and see.
Epic. Beautiful
Thanks
knowledge.
so much, man. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin. Subscribe, smash that thumbs up button, turn on that bell notification, and this just shows you, even at 14, you can start going into this. And if you're not in this, you gotta understand, even 14-year-olds are getting into this. So you need to start acting or start moving quickly before they take your...
Yeah, you gotta FOMO. No, don't FOMO, I'm joking. But, you know, it's everyone has a different pathway, right? You can start, like, for example, my biggest example is Morgan Freeman. You know, he got his, I believe he got his, first major role when he was like...
Oh shit, 1 second.
But you're still screen recording.
No, okay, good.
Yeah. Like, Morgan Freeman got his first major role when he was like 45, and he's Morgan Freeman, right? He started when he was 45, but he's now one of the most famous actors in the world. So don't compare yourself to other people. I may start at 12, you may start at 21, but equally you may become more successful. So everyone's got their authentic path. Don't compare yourself to anyone else, just grind, and that's all that matters.
Nice. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. Now we're jumping into the technicals. IDEX up 2%. I bought yesterday IDEX on the recommendation of a developer friend of mine. He's the founder of Pontum. Pontum is a very big project on Aptos, and he really likes this IDEX. It's up 3% today. I bought only like 10,000 of it, but I'll buy more of IDEX. It's a DEX, decentralized exchange. Tesla on the Friday up 2%, Qualcomm 2%, TSM about break even. The rest of the market quite flat, almost like no real movement in the market, 0.1%. Very low volatility this weekend. Bitcoin still holding 29k. Ooh, straight away I see a giant kind of coiling on the 15-minute. There's like a lot of pressure building up here. I just see this straight away. It's like a coiling. Bitcoin seems to be coiling here, building pressure for a large movement. Volume is quite low though on the weekend, but again, this is on the 15-minute, but there is pressure building here. Let's go first daily and then go closer. On the daily, a stochastic is not yet overbought, still heading up. Volume spiked yesterday. We had a lot of volume. We're still moving up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott wave pattern. I still think we're on that third wave that should be taking us towards 35k before the fourth wave correction. So I'm still bullish on Bitcoin here. I do see a little bit of a bull flag with this building pressure. Let's go in the 4-hourly stochastic turning up. Volume is very low for the weekend. The volume has dropped off considerably for the weekend, but overall volume is still good. We have this bull flag forming here with this kind of symmetrical triangle, which is a continuation pattern, which if this breaks out in the shorter term time frame with the stochastic heading up, we've got a target of around breakout of here, which should happen very soon. The trade from yesterday activated. If you followed my trade yesterday, it did activate. So my trade was correct, which is beautiful. You're in the trade already. You're already in profit. So move your stop loss into profits. But if that should take us to 31k if this symmetrical triangle breaks out over the weekend. We have had a few breakouts over the weekend lately. Where I would go long, if you haven't opened a long, is right here on Bitcoin. I would open a long here because of this potential coiling and this movement. Stop loss I would put just underneath this support. On the 4-hourly, let's go into closer time frames to set up the trade better. Hourly coiling up, 15-minute coiling up, so it is ready to go in my opinion. This is the trade that I would take, taking us up to that 35k, the third wave, which is a beautiful risk-to-reward ratio trade. It's a 18 risk-to-reward ratio trade, risking $319 to make $5,854 without leverage. With 10x leverage, $58,000 of profits per Bitcoin, everyone. So without leverage, you're risking $319 to make $5,854 per Bitcoin with no leverage. With 10x leverage, that would be $58,000 of profits. 20x leverage, almost $120,000 worth of profits. And again, this is the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. Stop loss, the trade will automatically close on that red box, 28921. Trade opens at 29240 and take profit at 34929. So stop loss 28,921, take profit 34,929. Trade opening where we're sitting right now, which is beautiful. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my trades. If you want to trade like you're going to see me do, under the video, go down below in the description of this video, smash up thumbs up button. Let's get 5,000 likes, 500 likes on this video. Smash up this bell, turn on all notifications so you're notified of every video, and you can trade on Bybit using this link. If you go down below, sign up to Bybit using that link, you can get $30,000 worth of bonuses for a limited time only. You can also get a free $100 open trade when you use this Bybit link down below. My team organized it, so you get a free $100 trade when you use this Bybit link down below. You can take the crypto master course to learn all this. 7,000 students, that's the course that FA took. And remember, if you're under the age of 18, you get the crypto master course and the stock guru master course for free. So anyone under the age of 18 gets the courses for free. And if you want, join the free Telegram group. There's 8,100 of you talking together, trading together, completely free. That Telegram, all those links are in the description down below. Once you sign up to Bybit, it will open. You'll get a trading account like this as an app. And this is my trading account, my Bitcoin trade. I have a 2.98 Bitcoin trade open. It's $20,466 in the profits, 274% in the profits, which is beautiful. On this trade, I used $7,400 to make $20,400 of profits, so around 3 times return on my initial trade open. So 2.98 Bitcoin trade, which is beautiful. In this account, I have $290,000 in here. I've got 4.2 Bitcoin, 125,000. I put some USDT in here so I can buy some more stuff. I've got MCRT, $37,000 worth. I've got TON, $22,000 worth. USDT, $22,000, around 21,936. I've got 19,900 of FXS, $10,000 of Uniswap. I've got Ethereum, 3,200. That's what I'm holding in this trading account, and that's my Bitcoin trade. I'm going to buy, I think Ethereum, I think Uniswap is undervalued actually. So I'm going to buy another $1,000 worth of Uniswap on spot, and I'm going to buy another $1,000 worth of MCRT also, because I think it's just undervalued at the moment. But again, I am the founder of this project. You have to do your own due diligence, not financial advice. This is what I'm doing with my trades and with my money. And that's the Bitcoin trade. Let's quickly go into Ethereum, and then actually, let's go into BNB, because BNB is a trade that I had set. If you followed my video the other day, I have a BNB trade set to open at 320. It's a 122 BNB trade. So BNB, that trade will open at 320. Oh, it said it activated. It came down and activated on Binance. It came to 320.4. Oh, I missed it by 40 cents. Crazy. 320.4. So I missed that trade open by 40 cents, everyone. It was 320. The low was 320.4, and my trade was to open at 320. So I missed it by 40 cents, but that's okay. I would actually go long on here, because on the 4-hourly stochastic is turning up. On daily stochastic, very oversold. On hourly stochastic, heading up. The volume is quite weak, but I would go long here because it did activate, but I just missed that trade by 40 cents, and it is very oversold, but I think it can pull back. $2 can easily pull back, so I would take this same trade setup for BNB. Opening the trade 320, stop loss 319, take profit. Actually, I set the trade to open on the account at 320.8, so it would have opened on this trading view, but when I set the order, I set the trade for 320, so I need to be careful more when I set that trade. So that same trade setup I would take on BNB. I'll also share this trade setup in the free Telegram, risk to reward ratio of 25, which is beautiful. Again, if you want to trade, under the video, go down below, sign up to Bybit using that link. And let's see what the team has sent me. MCRT, don't forget, this is one of our esports teams that is now one of the official esports teams of MCRT Magicraft World. You can play Magicraft and earn money. You can download it right now on Apple Store, Apple Play Store, Google Store, and on PC, and you can actually earn up to 3,000 MCRT. Actually, there's no limit on MCRT, how much you can earn per day now. So you can earn MCRT. You can actually play games and earn MCRT, which can be converted for Ethereum, Bitcoin, USDT. So you can actually play games and earn money now because of MCRT. This is ChatGod, another project of mine. I'm the founder of this project also, chatgod.ai. I sent my video from yesterday, so I just shared it from YouTube. I shared it on WhatsApp to ChatGod, and it automatically summarizes the video. In this video, the author interviews a famous comedian. If you follow TikTok, famous comedian Slavic, and we're talking, and it exactly summarizes everything that we talked about in that video. So technically, now you don't even need to really watch my video. If you want, you can You can go to chatgod.ai. You can set it up on WhatsApp and Telegram. You just click it, it opens on WhatsApp or Telegram. It's completely free for 3 months. Or to a certain number of messages. It's free to use, and it's a new technology. It's its own AI. It's a mixture of 5 different AI technologies: Whisper API, OpenAI, Midjourney API, multiple AI technologies merged into one on your WhatsApp and Telegram. So you can just share this video to ChatGod on your WhatsApp, and it will summarize the video for you, which is just I'm very interested in this technology. I also bought IOTA. The ticker is MOIOTA. Why? Because my friend, the founder of Pontum, Pontum is the biggest DEX on. It's already a multi-million-dollar project. He's amazing. He's been in the crypto space as a developer for many years. He's one of the most pro developers that I've met in the cryptocurrency space. He's the founder of Pontum, and he says he thinks IOTA is one of the big projects. Again, this is not financial advice. You have to do your own due diligence, but I really trust his advice, and I bought $30,000 worth of IOTA yesterday, and I will buy $30,000 more of IOTA. So just keep that in mind. IOTA is quite a big project already. It's got a $500 million market cap. At the peak of the bull run, it was a $15 billion market cap project. You can also play right now. If you go to lobby.magiccraft.io, you can already be playing MagicCraft games for MCRT. So you can already be game browser. You can play. You can see the wallet history of the games, marketplace. You can mint NFTs. You can buy MCRT. Lobby.magiccraft.io, and you can already play games for MCRT, which is beautiful. And that's the main kind of. Also, ChatGod now, I showed this a few times, after 1 month has more than 56,000 users, almost 15,000 daily active users, 115,000 messages. This stats are from a few days ago, but now ChatGod has more than 60,000 users in less than a month, which is amazing. And don't forget, join that Crypto Guru Alerts. 8,167 of you all chatting together. I shared about ChatGod in here. I shared my video. Hope you all have a beautiful Sunday with your family and friends. You can just see 1,100 people. There's 8,167 members in here. I shared that I bought $30,000 worth of IOTA. You can just see up to date. I share a lot of information in this Telegram, and I also ask people to share their gains in this Telegram as well. And you can just see some of the gains from my students in this free Telegram: 300% profit, 97% profit, 174% profit, 468%. And you can just see this student $23 profits, 350% profits. You can just see all the gains from my student: 35%. This is just the question I asked a few days: 400%, 103%. So this student made how much? $1,200 profit, and this student $3,900 profit. This student, yeah, you can just go into the free Telegram. The link is down below. Thank you for watching, everyone. Quite a long video with FA. Thank you, FA Crypto Kid on YouTube. Check out his video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and we'll see you all again tomorrow.